Hi guys, Andre here once again. This will be a quick video and it's considered to be a tip for those who are in LeadsLeap at the pro level. So this is where I'm going to show you something that you might not have used in LeadsLeap, and it has a lot to do with the image hosting. So pay close attention, and as I go into image hosting, which is found on the menu here, okay, I'm going to open another tab. Alright, that's my gallery. As you can see, it's quite filled, and then you can see that this area is where all your images are kept that you've been using for your landing pages and pop-ups that you can create on LeadsLeap. So I'll quickly show you how to utilize drop image or click to upload your images. So let's say you want to upload an image that you would like to place here and use that image on a banner, as a banner, or as a how you say, maybe on your splash page. Yeah, so I'll quickly click this and see. Alright, so these, I'm going to use one of my images that I've done for some other program. So let's say I want to choose this one, which is a screenshot of the LeadsLeap homepage. So let's open this, let's choose it, just okay. So here it is. As you can see, I've uploaded the image, and as I click this image, I can select it, and this is the trick. Let's say you want to use this image on another platform, and you need the URL for this image. So I will click this and I will open it in a new tab. Okay, this is the thumbnail of the whole image that you uploaded. So this is a trick. As you can see here, it is already stored in the image gallery site folder of LeadsLeap. So with each image that you upload, look at this TN here. All you have to do is delete that TN and then enter again. After you've deleted, place your cursor at the end of the whole URL, press enter, and this is your actual image. Okay, now you have this URL to use anywhere you please on any other site. So coming back to this gallery area, as you can see, you are also allowed to host PDFs, and the total files allowed to upload is 99, and total file size to upload is 100 megabytes. And just a reminder, this is a pro member feature. So I do hope you got a lot of value out of this. If you have come across any other tricks that you have discovered in LeadsLeap, please let me know in the comments, and I would like to know as well. So please do join LeadsLeap if you haven't already. Give this video a like and subscribe if you have not already. And I do invite comments as well, so you can actually share your experiences using LeadsLeap. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.